Look at me for a second. If you were studying more than before, trying harder than before, and still feeling stuck, tired, and behind, this video is for you. You are not lazy. You are not broken. And no, hard work is not a scam. But something has changed, and nobody explains it to students. Stay with me, because once you understand this, your effort will finally start working again. Part 1. The confusion every student feels. Let me describe your day. You wake up tired, even after sleeping. You plan to study, you open your book, then your phone pulls you in. Just 5 minutes becomes 40. By evening, guilt hits. You promise yourself tomorrow will be better. And the worst part? You are working. Assignments, classes, notes, exams. But progress feels invisible. That is why hard work feels useless. Not because effort doesn't matter, but because effort without direction burns you out. And burnout kills motivation silently. Part 2. Why hard work feels different today. Here's the truth most people miss. Hard work used to mean one thing. Now it means fighting distraction, overload, and anxiety at the same time. Your brain is under attack all day. Notifications, shorts, reels, messages. Each one steals focus. Science shows constant switching destroys deep concentration. Your brain never enters real work mode. So even when you study for hours, your brain feels like it did nothing. That gap between time spent and results is what makes effort feel pointless. You're tired not because you worked hard. You're tired because you worked fragmented. Part 3. Morning. Why your day starts wrong. Most students lose the day in the first hour. Phone first. News, messages, social media. Your brain gets dopamine before effort. That trains your mind to avoid hard tasks. Quick fix you can do tomorrow morning. Don't touch your phone for 30 minutes after waking up. No messages, no scrolling. Instead, do one small win. Make your bed. Read one page. Revise one formula. This tells your brain, I move first. Rewards come later. That single habit builds discipline faster than motivation quotes. Part 4. Afternoon. Why focus disappears. By afternoon, energy crashes. You feel sleepy. Your mind wants escape. You think something is wrong with you. Nothing is wrong. Your brain cannot focus endlessly. It needs clear blocks. Try this simple rule. Study for 25 minutes, stop for 5 minutes. Stand up, drink water, no phone. After 4 rounds, take a longer break. This works because attention works in cycles. Respect the cycle and focus comes back. Hard work feels useless when it has no structure. Structure turns effort into progress. Part 5. Evening. The guilt trap. Evening is dangerous. This is when guilt speaks. I wasted today. I'm behind everyone. I'll never catch up. That voice is not truth. That is emotional exhaustion talking. One powerful habit. End your day by writing 3 things you did, even small ones. Your brain needs proof of progress. Without it, motivation dies. You don't need perfect days. You need visible progress. Part 6. The big mistake most students make. Here's the mistake. You measure effort by how tired you feel, not by what actually moved you forward. Being busy is not the same as building skill. Ask yourself daily, what one thing, if improved, changes everything? Better concentration, clear notes, practice questions, explaining concepts out loud. Hard work feels useless when it's scattered. It works when it compounds. Part 7. A real story. Relatable moment. I've seen students who studied all day but couldn't explain one topic clearly. And I've seen students who studied 2 hours but revised smartly and taught others.
Guess who improved faster? Effort doesn't reward suffering. It rewards clarity. You're not failing because you lack effort. You're failing because nobody taught you how to apply effort. And that hurts because you blame yourself. I know that feeling. Part 8. The mindset shift that changes everything. Here's the shift. Stop asking, how hard did I work today? Start asking, what did I improve today? Small improvements beat extreme effort. 10 focused minutes beat 2 hours distracted. 1 clear revision beats endless rereading. Progress feels slow until it suddenly shows. Trust the process you can see. Part 9. What to do today. No excuses. Do these 3 things today. Phone away during first 30 minutes tomorrow. Study in clear time blocks. Write proof of progress at night. That's it. Not motivation, not discipline lectures. Simple actions repeated. Ending. Motivational close. Listen carefully. Your hard work is not useless. It's just being leaked through distraction, guilt, and confusion. Fix the system. The effort will finally work. You're early in life. You're learning, and you are not alone. If this video made you feel understood, like the video. Subscribe for more honest guidance, and share it with someone who feels stuck right now. Your future self will thank you.